Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Christian McNeil, and I'm here to teach you how to use Weebly. Um, all right, so we're gonna go right here, and we're gonna type in Weebly.com. All right. So for me, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you would just go to sign up. You put in your full name, your email address, your password, and then you go ahead and create your site, and it'll take you to the dashboard. But since I already have one, I'm gonna log in, put in my information. All right, I'm gonna sign in with my email. All right, so it takes me to this dashboard, and then it gives me these options whether I want to unlock more features or if I want to, upgrade it or make it into a newsletter, etc. So we're just gonna start simple, and we're gonna go to Edit Site. All right, it says choose your website the domain, but we can skip that for right now. Just use that, save that for later. All right, so it's telling me that I need to get started by dragging an element to my page or whatnot. Cool. All right, so right here, let's say I want to, add some text to it. So I just add this block right here, drag it right here, and then right here. Let me drag that real quick. All right, let's see, right here. All right, oops. So let's say I want to add some information. Let's say dogs are really cute. There you go. And then it gives you this bar where you can make it bold, change the text size. I think you can change the color of the text. Let's change it to red. Highlight it, and we can change it to red. Dogs are really cute. Nice. All right. So I can drag it right here, right here. Yes. And it says across this top bar, it gives you the build, the pages, the theme of it. So right here where it says this Ultimate Discovery Guide, you can change that. You can make corrections to that, or simply you can just change this Discovery Guide. And since we're talking about dogs are really cute, I'm gonna put let's say dogs are or man's best friend. Just making a random title. All right, so let's go to pages just to see, check that out. All right, so we can make this into a blog. Um, Change the header of it. You can make sure change it if you want a header or not. Visitability. Yeah, see how access to your certain stuff. Uh, People can view and look at your website. Let's see the theme. You can change the theme of it. Like if I don't like it, I'm just gonna change it into something else that kind of fits the title. Let's see. And they're gonna give you these like generic basic themes that they want to give you. See right here. Let's play fetch. That fits perfectly with what I'm talking about. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, edit background. Let's see. All right, let's replace that. Sorry about that. Let's see. Dogs. Let's see. All right. So I'm just gonna pick a random picture of a dog. You have professional photos, which you have to buy, but who wants to buy any photos? We can just use the free ones. Oops, hold on. Let's get back. Okay, here we go. Right here. That matches our website fully. So we're gonna save that, and let's see. You have all these other options on the side. You have the media. You can add a HD video. You can add audio to it. Let me see. What else? What else do we have? You can play around with. Search block. And right here you can add a slideshow of photos, to enhance your website. You can add big text, gallery of photos. This is actually pretty new, that I didn't know of. The map button, which you can actually put in the address, and you can just put in the address of where you guys are located. If you're trying to promote something on the website, like see right here. So it'll look, since I live in Houston, let's put it in Houston, Texas. Oh, it's an address. Huh. Uh, yeah. So yeah, you can use an address, find the exact location of like where you're located, or if you don't want to use that, you know, it's totally fine. So let's exit out of this. So we don't need that really. There we go. Delete that. All right, dog's best man's best friend. And right here, it's gonna give you all this space right here to see, you can write anything you want to, if you want to promote like what I'm doing right here, dogs are man's best friends. If I wanted to, promote uh, me or giving away dogs or giving some information on dogs, you put all your information in this white block right here. Um, and things like that. Let's see. It says right here, the who we are. Oh, with the pages, yes. Sorry, I did not elaborate on that. But there are pages, there are extra pages that you can add to your website. So where this who we are tab, I can change that up, and I can change that up real quick. And let's say the history of my business, or why I'm doing this. You can choose if you want a header or not, visibility, you know, more tab, which is the get in touch, and I can add extra pages to this website. It can be a standard page, excuse me, a blog page, a category page, product, external page, or just a non-clickable menu. We're gonna add a standard page. We're gonna add prices. Alright, so yes, go on prices, and then you can add information to it or whatnot, or or whatever you want. So I'm not gonna do a complete, you know, thing. I'm not going to add all that information. So after that, after I'm done with that, let's see. I will publish it, register as a new domain. Let's see. I'm going to use something simple like dogs or Christians. All right, that's available. Copy that. So just so continue. It's going to say loading payment page. We're not going to do that. We're going to do a free one. We're going to do a free domain. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, let me go back to that one. Hold on. Look like I made a mistake. All right, come on. Oh, close it. All right. All right. Let's see. Sorry, that's the registered new domain. Totally forgot that if you register a new domain, you have to pay for it. You use a subdomain of Weebly. So let's try this. Let's try this. All right, Weebly.com. All right. All right. Continue. All right, and it's publishing the site. And it's going to give you an option if you want to upgrade it to make sure it's like legit or whatnot. So right here, I'm going to right click, open and link in a new tab, and it's going to show up as a blog, and voila, here we go. Yeah, now I know it looks unfinished, but I just want to show you the basics of how you can get it published, what type of text you can get in, what images you can do, and stuff like that. Yeah, prices, blog. All right, guys, that wraps up the tutorial for using Weebly.com. My name is Christian McNeil, and I hope you enjoyed it and found this useful. Thank you, and peace out.